All right, guys, we're doing some spring cleaning, getting the garage all cleaned up. It's looking pretty good, but I need some rack space, so I went over to Fleximounts. Check this out. This is a height adjustable ceiling storage rack. That's gonna go right up in here. I also got some 2x6 wall shelves. All right, let's open these up and see what we got. Everything's packed really nice. So we're gonna dig through here and get all this out. All right, guys, that's everything that came in the box for the racks. These are heavy duty. Let's get this one out and see what we're working with. Everything looks really well made. Very detailed manual. All right, guys, I got the main big rack all laid out. Let's get these ceiling brackets hung up. I'm gonna use these bolts here, the bracket. Check it out, we got all 6 of the mounting brackets up. All right, let's get our first hanging bracket. I'm gonna go right in the center here. All right, guys, we're getting there. And let's see if I can hang this up. All right, guys, there it is. Check it out. That's pretty cool. And I got the height adjusted that I can put storage bins, 2x4s, whatever I want to stick up there. I like this height because I can walk underneath it. I can still put the car under here. And this thing holds a lot of weight. Check it out. I weigh about 190. And it'll hold me no problem. So it's very durable. And that weight's distributed across the whole thing. So yeah, you can put some weight up there. Check this out. Also put 2x4s up there. I got a bunch of wood over here. All right, guys, I'm really digging this rack. This is cool. There's still room up there. There's a few inches, so I probably could have gone just a little higher. All right, guys, that rack system is awesome. Let's go ahead and put up some shelves. All right, we're getting this messy shop cleaned up and organized. These should go up pretty quick. Got some mounting hardware here. I'm going to use the washers and I'm going to use these screws that I have. These are wood screws, so these will be perfect for what I'm doing. I'm going to use the washers out of the kit, but if you're going into concrete or wood, you could use these as well. These are going to go up really easy. So I came down 12 inches from the top of the stud here. Let's drill a little pilot hole for the screw. All right, that was super easy. These things are heavy duty, guys. I can hold myself up on these. I can do a pull-up on them. It can hold all my weight. There it is. 1 rack up, 3 more to go. bring this up just a hair so we get a nice even level there. Let's see if we can level this one out. This needs to come up about 1/2 inch. That's perfect. Check it out. Oh yeah. Nice and level. All right, now we can finish bolting that one in, putting the rack on it. Looks good. Let's rack it up. Comes with these Velcro strips to tighten everything, to hold the racks, the shelving to the racks. You could probably use zip ties as well. Let's get the other 2 racks up. Right, check it out. Racks are up. Man, that's gonna save a lot of space on the floor. Gonna get a lot of stuff off the floor. Keep it nice and organized. Really like that. And I got room still to put my engines under here and toolboxes and stuff. And these are heavy duty racks, guys. You can put some weight on them. So it was holding my whole 200 pounds basically is what I weigh, 190. So you can zip tie them or you can use the Velcro straps. Either way, they both work to keep the racks from moving around. Let's go ahead and put some stuff on and see what it looks like. All right, I got something perfect for the top shelf. These are always laying around the floor, getting in the way. And I use these, I go through a lot of these, but this is perfect. Got stuff like this, it's always on the floor, getting in the way. Yeah, exactly. All right. Yeah, that's awesome. Plenty of space up there, guys. All kinds of stuff can go up here, guys. A cooler. Get that up off the floor. And you can see just how much space you have. These are big racks, so you could put a few coolers up there. You know what I'm saying? All kinds of stuff. I'm always working on different cars and always have extra wheels laying around. I could actually get a whole setup here. So that's pretty cool. Get some up off the floor. I could even put them up there if I wanted to. Lots of options, guys. Go check them out. Fleximount. Use the CT discount code below. All right, guys, later. All right, guys, spring into savings, up to 44% off. Get organized with Fleximounts. Spring sales from $325 to $331. Check out Amazon's bestseller 4x8 ceiling rack and the 2x6 wall shelving. Check it out on Amazon. Click on the links below. All right, guys, appreciate it. See you on the next one.